星星
The oracle character 星 has a 声 in the middle, which means the appearance of stars. There are several 口 in the left and right rows, which represent the stars in the sky. Its shape is very similar to the oracle character 金. In the bronze inscription, the 3 日 characters above do not mean 3 suns, but 3 stars. In ancient Chinese, 三 means the majority, which means that there are many stars in the sky. Since the stars are very dazzling and bright in the night sky, they are now often used to refer to outstanding people who attract attention, such as 影星 movie stars. In general, 星 has the following meanings. 1. Indicates that in astronomy, it refers to the universe, a celestial body that can emit light or reflect light. Generally refers to a celestial body that emits light in the night sky, such as 星球 stars, 星球 stars, 恒星 planets, 恒星 planets, 行星 satellites, 行星 satellites, 卫星 stars, 卫星 stars. 2. Indicates small particles, such as 火星儿 little star fire, 火星儿 little star fire. 3. Indicates the emblem on the collar of an officer, such as 五星将军 a 5-star general, 五星将军 a 5-star general. 4. Indicates arrangement and dispersion like stars, such as 星星点点 stars dotted, 星星点点 stars dotted. 5. A metaphor for a newly emerging outstanding person in a certain field, such as 影星 movie stars, 影星 movie stars. 歌星 singers, 歌星 singers. 6. Indicates the art of calculating good and bad fortune based on the stars, such as 星数 astrology, 星数 astrology, 星象 astrology, 星象 astrology. 7. An internationally accepted standard for measuring the rating of hotels and restaurants, such as 星级 star rating, 星级 star rating, 五星饭店 5-star hotel, 五星饭店 5-star hotel. Have you learned it? Learning Chinese character is very meaningful because it is like a picture. Some Chinese characters have many extended meanings and require everyone to listen, read and feel more, but do not need to memorize them by rote. If you want to truly understand and speak Chinese, you can check out my other Chinese courses and VIP programs. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send me an email. I will solve your problem and adopt your suggestions as soon as possible. See you next time. Bye bye.